Hello there, Nazalians!
Hey there, Nationalians!
Welcome to the most exciting day on campus!
NUNS Open House! Today, a brand new breed of bullpups is about to experience what it truly means to be part of the NUNS family.
From campus tours, fun activities, to meeting new friends, this is your moment to explore, discover, and belong.
I am Athena.
And I am Zach.
And we are both from Vox Nazaliani, the official student publication of NU Nazareth School.
But wait, we want to hear from you.
Let's do a quick Q&A and find out what inspired our future bullpups to choose NUNS.
For our first question, bakit niyo po napili ang NUNS?
Nung nabalitaan po namin na merong campus tour, nag-try po kami. Then, yung na-feel ko po, it's very welcoming. Sobrang homey nung vibe and sobrang sweet ng mga staffs. And yun po yung nagustuhan ko.
How about you po?
Ayun din po, I would also like to commend yung mga staffs po kasi po, like, nung nagpunta talaga kami, nung inikot po nila kami dito sa campus, like, we got to know a lot of details about NU Naz, ganon. Like, ang dami po namin nalaman about na po dito, yung kay Saint Candida, ganon.
Okay, so second question is, what part of the NUNS Open House 2026 did you enjoy the most?
I enjoyed the most the campus tour because I really want to tour this NU Nazareth po because nakikita ko po sa TikTok yung mga mga classrooms and yung lalo na po yung nature po presentation.
So last question po natin ay gaano kayo ka-excited? Considering na you've been a Nazalian for a day, gaano kayo ka-excited to experience the real Nazalian life?
I think 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Yes. Because, wala, parang excited lang po ako to meet new friends, to meet new people, new environment, to parang bagong school, so parang new identity agad.
To all our future Nazalians, your journey starts here.
And trust us, this is just the beginning. See you around, bullpups!
Enjoy the open house!
And welcome to NUNS. Once again, this has been Athena
And this has been Zach.
from Vox Nazaliani.